Hey guys, adding a Facebook pixel to your Shopify store and tracking conversions is straightforward. So follow these steps. First of all, you can go ahead to the Facebook event manager and then basically create a pixel. And after you create the pixel, add Facebook pixel to Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin and then navigate to the online store and then add the Facebook pixel ID. Scroll down to the Facebook pixel section and paste your Facebook pixel ID, not the whole code, into the field provided, and then click save to apply the changes. And then you're gonna verify the pixel installation by going to add Facebook pixel helper extension to your Chrome browser, and then you're gonna set up your own conversion tracking by accessing the events manager, and then basically open the pixel settings, and then you're gonna be able to set up using events setup tool. So you can able to test them as well. So let's run on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.